Hey everyone, Minnie's Handbags here. If you guys are new to my channel or if you're a returning viewer but you have not yet clicked that subscribe button, please consider subscribing to my channel as well as liking this video, and don't forget to leave a nice comment down below, guys. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back. So today, guys, I am going to be doing a bag reveal, but I'm also going to be sharing 2 items that I picked up accessory wise to go with my handbags. So let's start off with the accessories. Now, guys, this is attempt 3 on this video, so I've already unboxed the items. That's why these are just reveals. So with that being said, we're going to try this a 3rd time, okay? So the first item that I want to share with you guys is an item that I picked up off of eBay from Coach. Now, I did already share my Shein haul with you guys, and if you watched that video, then you already know what's probably in this box. But I did pick up some cherry charms off of Shein, and I wanted at least one of the Coach original cherry charms. So I went on the secondhand market. I found a seller selling theirs, and I picked it up from them. So it finally arrived. So it did come in the Coach box. And this is just what it looks like. They did have it wrapped, but like I said, I had already unwrapped all of this. So yeah, I wasn't about to wrap it back up, y'all. So this is what it looks like. That is the Coach cherry charm in the gold hardware. The cherries are red. And it does come with the lobster clamp here, as you guys can see. And then it also comes with the O-ring. And last but not least, it does come with the Coach hang tag as well too. And it does say Coach on that side as well. Okay. Now, I do have the Shein one as well. So I thought, let me grab that real quick. So, all right, guys. So I have the Shein one and the Coach one, just to do a quick comparison of the 2. I took the O-ring off of the Shein one, but this is what it looks like. Now, from just a quick glance at looking at these, the difference I can see is the Shein one, which is this one, is the cherry color is a little bit darker than the Coach one. The Coach one is more see-through, and it's a lighter shade of red. The second thing is the gold hardware. The Shein one, which is this one, is more of a shinier gold color, whereas the Coach one, which is this one, has more of that brushed brassy color to it, gold color to it. But they both come with the same type of lobster clamp. Like I said, they both come with the O-ring. And then Coach one comes with the Coach hang tag, whereas the Shein one does not have one on there. Okay, now as far as sizing go, they pretty much look the same size to me. I don't really see a difference in the size of the cherries or the leaf on these. So just FYI, if you didn't want to spend $98, which is how much the Coach one costs, compared to the Shein, which is anywhere from $1 and some change up to $4, then I would say just go with the Shein. Because like I said, besides the shade on the cherries and the sheen that's on the Shein cherry charm, there's not really much of a difference. So if you didn't want to drop $100 on the Coach one, definitely pick up the Shein one. The Shein one also comes in a few other colors as well too, guys. And I picked up all the colors that were available when I ordered on the site. If I can, I will try to link the Shein cherry charms down below as well too, if you want to pick some up. Now, the next thing I wanted to share with you guys really quickly is I purchased some twillies off of Amazon. And I picked up a pack of 35. And I was really hoping that these were going to be like duplicates, or they were going to at least have duplicates in here, and they don't. So it's 35 separate ones. So I'll just show you guys really quickly what they look like, and I will leave the link down below for these as well too, guys, if you're interested in picking them up. But I thought these were really cute, and they're really good to have in your handbag collection because you can dress your bags up with these as well too. You can tie them around the handle if you wanted to. You could also do a bow on your bag with these. But yeah, these are really, really cute. I love the colors and the designs on these. Now I may end up having to pick up another pack of these so I can have duplicates, so that if I want to wrap it around the handle of my bag, that I will have two of the same kind. But yeah, really pretty colors in here, so you do get a variety, so I do love that. Now let me know down in the comments, guys, if you use twillies at all, or if that's just a little too much for you. But I think these are really cute to have. Another option, if you didn't want to purchase off of Amazon, and this is what I used to do way back in the day, go to the fabric store and you can get them to cut you some satin fabric or whatever. Pick out whatever colors you want and just do scripts. Sometimes they already have scripts already pre-cut, and you can just purchase them, and they used to be like anywhere from 25 cents to $1. And you can use those as twillies as well too. So just another option if you didn't want to do that. If you have a hubby or a boyfriend or a baby daddy, whatever, and they wear suits and they have handkerchiefs, you could also use that as well too, because I've done that with my husband once as well too. So just options if you want them to help accessorize your handbag. Okay, so let's move on to why you ladies came here, or gentlemen, for the bag reveal. So really quickly before I show you the bag, how I came upon this bag. So if you've been keeping up with the handbag community, you guys know in the Dooney world that this particular bag has been hot the last few weeks, almost month now. And I had already picked this bag up in 3 different colors. So I shared it with my mom and she said she liked it. Now she didn't see the bag in person, but I did show her the bag online, and she said she liked it. So she asked me to order her 2 of them, and I got 2 different colors for her. So her bag came in last week, like Wednesday or Thursday, because I believe today is Friday, December the 13th. I think that's today's date. And so her bag came last week, Wednesday or Thursday. Well, she immediately calls me on the phone and she was like, hey, why you didn't tell me this bag was this big? And I'm like, Mom, I told you it was a tote bag. She was like, yeah, but it's just too big for me. So I was like, okay, well, what you want to do? So of course she was like, well, I could either return it, or if you could order me another bag and then you can get one and I'll give one to your older cousin. So I was like, I could do that. And the reason why I opted to keep one of the bags was because one of the colors she got, I already had, but the other color I did not have. So I ended up telling her, that's fine, I'll keep one of the bags. I'll order you another bag, but it'll be a smaller tote bag. So we did all of that. My cousin brings the bag to me on Friday at the salon because she had a hair appointment anyway. And when I saw this color in this bag, in this print, y'all, I about fell out. And I was like, sis, how you didn't know that this color was this gorgeous on this print as long as you've been a Dooney girl? So, Miss Denise, I'm going to call you out. And the reason why I'm calling you out is because I've been watching your unboxings of this particular print for a while now, and I did not realize how gorgeous this bag was until I saw it in person. Now I see why you love this print right here, y'all. I picked up the Bailey in the beautiful Gretta in the color navy, y'all. Miss Anise over at Indubitably Sani's channel. If you have not checked her out yet, please go over, subscribe to her channel. She has a beautiful Dooney and Bourke handbag collection, and this is her favorite print from Dooney and Bourke as well as color. And I see why, sis. I fell in love, and I'm telling y'all right now, going into 2025, your girl is probably going to be picking up some Gretta prints in navy handbags, but then just navy bags in general. This color is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love it. And it's crazy because as long as I have liked Dooney and Bourke, I have never seen a navy bag in person, y'all. And I'm so serious. I've never seen one in person. I've seen a lot of, like, most of the other colors, but I've never seen a navy in person. And I see why my mom loves this color. And Miss Denise, I see why you love it, but I see why other people in the Dooney community love this. This is absolutely gorgeous. Now, if you have not seen the Bailey before, which I'm pretty sure you have, but if you haven't, it comes with tassels on the side that are adjustable, gold hardware. It comes with the braided shoulder strap on here. It has 4 feet on the bottom, which is reinforced with the leather tabs. It has the gold Dooney and Bourke plate on the front. It is a magnetic snap closure. And it does have the Dooney's signature zip and slip. So you get your back zipper compartment here. You get your slip pocket. And then on the front, you do get a smaller slip pocket as well as a larger slip pocket as well. And you also get your key leash on here as well too. Okay. This bag is roomy. I absolutely love it. It is a big bag. And I feel like even if you're not one that you like a big bag, this can be a great bag for travel, guys. Also for work. It could be a great work bag, travel bag. This could even be a really great gift if you know somebody who is getting ready to have a baby. This could be a great diaper bag as well too. So definitely keep that in mind. The price on this is phenomenal right now. So if you were considering getting the Bailey, go ahead and grab it while the price is what it is. I'm not sure if once this bag sell out, if Dooney are going to put any more out. So even if you weren't 100% sure, just go ahead and order it. Check it out. If you don't like it, you know you can always return it. But I absolutely love this bag. I love this color. I am so glad I told her that I was going to keep this color. But at one point, I did tell my mom that I might send this bag back. And I'm going to tell you guys why. If you watched my first unboxing with the Bailey, you know I picked it up in 2 colors, amber and marine. And I really thought that the marine was going to be too close of a blue to the navy. So that's why I didn't order it for myself when I ordered the Ivy bag, right? So I was like, well, I'm going to go home, I'm going to compare it. If it's too close in color, I'm just going to send it back. So I'm going to show y'all. And then I'm going to tell y'all why I decided to keep it. So this is the Marine and Saffiano. And of course, this is the Navy Gretta. And I hope this is in frame for y'all. Now, granted, they close in color. But they ain't that close. And not only that, the Marine and Saffiano has that brown Timoro handles and tassels and the trim. And this has the lighter color handles and trim and tassels. So I was like, you know what? They not the same color. They might be close in color, but they not the same color. So, dog, we keeping a bag. And so I end up keeping a bag, y'all. So say what y'all like. Don't judge me. I mean, the bag is super cute. I absolutely love it. I'm glad I have it in my collection. All right. Well, guys, If you stuck with your girl this long, please make sure to go ahead and like this video. Also, make sure to leave a nice comment down below. Don't forget to click the bell. And also let me know down in the comments, guys, if you were able to pick up a Bailey tote. If you did, how many did you get and what colors did you get, y'all? And until the next time, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.